Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to fix the problem personal hotspot not showing and the personal hotspot is disabled on this device. If you go to settings, now you can see the personal hotspot option is disabled. If you go to the control center, here also you can see that personal hotspot option is disabled. You can see. Okay, so let me show you how to fix this problem, the personal hotspot not showing or disabled on the device. Just go to the settings and simply tap on the option mobile service. First of all, simply turn on the option mobile data. So after enable the mobile data, here you can see the option personal hotspot. If you go back, here also you can see the option personal hotspot. Tap on this one. Now this is enabled. If you turn on the personal hotspot, you can turn on this one. So simply in this way we can fix the problem, the personal hotspot not showing or disabled on this device. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye.